Hey guys, it's Miss Enciso, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take pictures with an assignment. So we'll be using taking photos mainly to take pictures of the work you did in your math workbooks. So let's get started. Here it's asking us to click on the Add Response button. Choose the Photo button to take pictures. Take pictures of page 7 in your math workbook. Click on Add Page to add another page. Click on the Photo button to take a picture of page 8. And then click the green check mark to submit your assignment. So what we're going to do first is click on the Add Response button. And then we're going to click on the Photo button because we want to take pictures. Okay, then you're going to go to page 7 of your math workbook, and we're going to take a picture using either any of these right here. So I'm going to take a photo. Okay, then pretend this is math photo page 7. Then we're going to go to this corner right here, add another page so we can take a picture of math workbook page 8. Okay, you're going to go to the camera again, take a photo, and then take another picture. Oops. Take another picture. And so here you have page 7 of your math workbook and page 8 of your math workbook, and then we're going to click on the green check mark to turn it in. All right. Make sure to look at the instructions to make sure you're taking the pictures of the right workbook pages. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in Class Dojo or text me in my personal cell phone number. Thank you.